Doing nothing. Being with your best buddies. It's okay.
Blowing your nose.
Do you want to say the words to him? Oh, no words. Keep going.
Wait.
Just pretend.
No, Piggy.
She says Piggy.
I'm the elephant.
Oh, yeah, Grady, you say Piggy.
Piggy! Is there something on my head?
Yes.
Say it out loud for her.
There's a bird on your head.
There's a bird on my head.
Now there's two birds. No.
Is there a bun on my head now?
No. Now there's two birds on your head.
What? There are two birds on my head?
They are in love.
The birds on my head are in love?
They are love buds. So cute.
Love birds. How do they know? How do you know that they're love birds?
Because they are making a nest.
Two birds on my head making a nest. Why would there be two? Why would there be two birds make a nest on my head? Oh my gosh!
You could just pluck out his hairs.
Don't do that.
I'm afraid to ask.
I know this perspective is a little wrong, but if you want to hold it like that, so you can see the eggs.
Do I have an egg on my head?
Yes, you do.
Wait.
You have three eggs on your head.
Count them.
2, 3 eggs on your head.
You have 3 eggs.
I don't want 3 eggs on my head.
And they have their nose.
The eggs are gone?
The eggs are hatching.
Hatching? The eggs are hatching on my head?
Cheep, 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 cheep.
Cheep, 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 cheep.
They have hats.
What?
Wait, I dropped it.
You dropped the baby chicks.
Wow.
Smooth.
Now I have baby chicks on my head.
Two buds and a nest.
I don't want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Where do you want them?
Somewhere else.
Why don't ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them?
Ask them.
Okay, I'll try asking. Excuse me, birds? Will you please go somewhere else?
Sure thing.
Dax,
It worked. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.